Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course, Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya, lesson 3940, workshop sessions. Panini Ashtadhayayi scripture deserves to be approached letter-wise. Each and every letter started with Va and ending with A is to be approached sequentially, and the letters will take to numbers will take to Sthapatya will take to space content, it will take to full unit and half unit bodies. This also will take us to Sthapatya miring rod, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Parallel will be half unit bodies. Then there will be space content D1 to D6. This will take us to 6 space as Sun, and from its origin will flow 7 streams. From each of the 7 streams will flow a transcendental content. This transcendental content will enter the creator's space, that is the creative dimension of 4 space, from its eastern cosmic window. And this matter which will enter the cosmic window will reach up till its transcendental origin seat, and with it there will manifest an 8-directional frame within creator's seat. It will make a setup of a Yampuri. It is this Yampuri within the creator's space around this 8-directional frame will lead to the Yampuri, and Yampuri will take to Dharampuri. It is this Dharamraj to Yamraj, where the Yamdut take the Jeev from its previous body, and after whole process of Karma Shuddhi, there will be a Punarjanam. It is Divya Sharir. All these features as such are also bringing us to the phenomenon of Earth, Nar, Ishwar format, and it is here where we will be appreciating as to how it is going to be a Brahmand, value 43, making it Ardhanarishwar. Here is 42, Ardhanarishwar is 43, here is 42, here is Purusha. It is this feature of Earth TCB11. So we will be having SUP 11, TIT 11. That is why these sutras of Ashtadhayayi are functioning only in the silent functional format of TIT, as the loop are not there. So Vakya requires SUP as well as TIT. However, in sutras, these are presumed and these are manifested. Sutra is 15, so it's split in the upper and lower part. It is 90, and so it is the Ardhanarishwar format which is being availed. Sit comfortably. Update your TCB dictionary and Sthapatya referencer. Appreciate that 4 space is a spatial order space. Plane. Within a plane, we can have single axis as well as pair axis formats. Line as well is a setup of points of having area, surface structures, and plane as well is having a points of spatial structures. So it is sufficient to work with 11 H half unit H3 and TIT 11 are to be presumed 1 as 2 and 2 as 1, making half as a functional unit. It is this H3 splitting and making H6 22. It is here 11 and 11. 11 we know are the geometries of 5 space. Hypercube 5 is having 11 versions. So it is the phenomenon of a split of the transcendental origin. It splits into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. It is the outer crust. So the 5 space is having outer crust as well as the inner skin. Outer is called Kechuli, the serpent, the nog, and it is 759. These are the vachas and 700 are the shlokas of the Gita. So these features deserve to be appreciated, deserve to be imbibed, deserve to be included in one's TCB dictionary. This is the feature, first feature, is second feature, a third feature, fourth, fifth, and sixth. All these features deserve to be entered sequentially in one's TCB dictionary as well as in Sthapatya referencer. Once we will be at this format, then we shall be appreciating as that it is just like a phenomenon of transfer of a content from one beaker, one source reservoir to another source reservoir. So exercise is to transfer a content from this beaker and to have a reach at this beaker. It is this phenomenon for which the exercise is to be as if we are only with the initial beaker and phenomenon happens to be this, then how we can have a reversal. That is what is to be appreciated as to how why we are here only. This is no more required. It will follow of its own, or it is going to be reversal of an orientation. See how it is functional here. Here, see, we are having a table, and upon table there is a big cube. This cube is made as a synthetic setup of 8 subcubes. These 8 subcubes then are made into a pair of the quadruple are made above and quadruple below. And these quadruple above are also made as 2 and 2. And here 2 and 2 are made again 2 and 2. Now, so we can have a setup. We are having one beaker and another beaker along a table, and then we have a transfer pipe. This is stand here. Now see, we want to transfer water from here. It is going to be transferred to here. Lifting up, it is called apadan. Filled, it is called sampradhan. It is karan. This sport is vikaran. This table is a relationship is sabandh and sambodhan. This is karta and here is kar. Now this is a flow from here to here. The rest may be presumed will follow. That is why only the apadan is 5/5, and then it is a flow like this. So this relationship is 6. His vikaran is 7. So only these current 3. So only the 5th, 7th, 3rd and 6th vibhaktis are being availed, and others to be followed. It is this system, it is this Ardhanareshwar feature which deserves to be comprehended well. Ashtadhayayi, Panini Ashtadhayayi, and its Sthapatya is much step ahead. As we normally see, if we have set with two elements, we want their relationship. But here it is precisely the transfer of a content. It is not only transfer of structures, it is transfer of a content. Vedic mathematics is optical transfer of content. Normal set with relationships is only for transfer of structures. It is a step ahead. It is this what is Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya format values. So Panini Ashtadhayayi Sthapatya format is practical applied values format as much as it is a format for transfer of a content, transfer of a water. It is this transfer of water content. And when we will see the letter A, its script is going to be a cube put on a table. This is all. So Devanagari script, Devanagari Varanmala, Devanagari Sthapatya, the manifestation of Devanagari itself. The whole phenomenon is a transcendental phenomenon. Whole phenomenon is of number 5. It is HQ. It is small h5. It is d5. It is this phenomenon which within 4 space is 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it splits into two parts, northern and southern hemispheres, and it is this second inner fold which within 4 space and solid origin of its spatial dimension. It is this phenomenon 5 space. So it is when it is a point of a 4 space, it is 0. So shunyam. So shunya is 18. And when it is a point of a 5 space, it is Ishwar. We have to be parallel with Shunyam and Ishwar. Ashtadhayayi is the phenomenon, transcendental phenomenon, its manifestation within creator's space, solid origin, spatial dimensions, Shunyam to Ishwar. This feature of the organization format shall reflect from first letter to the last letter, and Vedic Sutras remain 7 to 1, 6 to 13, 6 plus 7, 7 minus 1. One shall sit comfortably, glimpse the text, have the text of Panini, Ashtadhayayi in one's hands, and glimpse it, 8 chapters, each having 4 parts, 32. These are sutras. Value 15. Begin with the first letter, reach at the last letter in 32 books. Be acquainted with Devanagari script.